I fixed it.
Welcome back to my channel. This is Mike. You're on the Mike Fyxdt YouTube channel. Well, this is my 2019 Ford Mustang GT Convertible, and we are about to do our first modification. Now, Ford, I'm calling you out here. This is something that you should be doing at the factory. We shouldn't have to be doing it, at least for the people that are buying the 401A premium package. We are going to be replacing the flimsy, inexpensive, and awkward support rod for the hood. We are going to be replacing that with the pneumatic Ford Performance lift struts, which hold the hood up for you automatically. So it should be a fairly straightforward install. Spoiler alert, it is not without a hitch. I developed a problem. I'm going to share that with you, so if you're going to do the same mod, you don't make the same mistake. So stay tuned.
Step 1. Crisis number 1. A little screw clip just fell down there. Mr. Pinchy to the rescue. Look, my first Mustang bits. Brackets in place. Get the battery cover back on. Well, not perfect, but it's only plastic, people. We can always adjust as necessary. Do this one-handed. Oh yeah. Lift the hood higher. 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 Good. Okay. Here goes the maiden voyage. Well, it kind of takes off on you there. We lift to it. Okay, there we go. It's getting lighter. Come on. Come on. There we go. I tell you, man, that is one heavy hood, but it's doing the trick. Much better than the prop rod. All right, we're just gonna unbolt this. Take that off, and I'm done. Yay! I am free!
Well, I was real happy with the install, but then I went out and I had to use the wipers, and I wanted to use the washer fluid. But you know what? The washer fluid wasn't coming out. The washer fluid just came out this really anemic trickle. It was barely wetting the windshield.
This line that's coming down is my washer fluid line. And if you look right there, it's flattened like a worm in a driveway.
It was getting crushed by the mount for the hood strut.
When this came down, it lands right on here. So when this thing closed, it basically crimped that flat, and now that's why I'm not getting any washer fluid out of the washers. I'm gonna see what I can do about maybe squeezing this back, see if I could restore it without springing a leak, and then we'll take it from there. See if we can reroute it so it does not hit the stud down here, that mounting post.
So very carefully with pliers, I opened up where the hose got flattened.
I am very lightly crimping this flattened part to open the hose back up. So it looks like the plastic is a little bit stressed out, but hopefully that won't burst. But I was able to get it opened back up.
I decided I needed to reroute it so it doesn't just get squished again.
I've popped the hose out of this first clip, and if we look in here, the next clip is right over here. What I'm going to try to do is slide this down a little bit to pull it out of the way. Let me see if I could do it while on camera. Okay, so I'll see if I can get some slack. And yeah, it's providing an extra little loop there, but we'll see if we can pull it down just a bit and fasten it there. And hopefully what that'll do is right over here, it'll pull it enough out of the way that it'll be on the inside of that mounting stud. So we'll give that a try. Well, here's what we ended up with. I moved the cable to the outside of the strut mount, and I just did a little wire tie right there, not too tight, and we're bypassing that guide. Hopefully it's going to go enough to the inside that it will miss hitting right over here.
So let's close the hood and let's go see if it works.
Oh yeah, that was definitely the problem. Oh, huge difference. It was just a trickle yesterday. All right, let's go take a look. Just make sure that the hose isn't crimped and make sure there's no leaked washer fluid on the inside of the engine bay. And it is dry, and the cable is dry, and I don't see any more crushing anywhere along it. So let's just assume that for right now, it's fixed.
So there you go. Our first mod, we had a hitch, but crisis averted. Well, I hope you found this video helpful, and I really do recommend this mod. Just don't do it and squish your wiper hose. We already have our next mod planned, and my next video I'm going to bring you that mod. This is a very important mod for anyone that has the handling package and lives in a place where it's going to get cold this winter. So an essential mod. This is mod number 2 on my brand new 2019 Ford Mustang GT. If you enjoyed the video, please click like. I appreciate you supporting my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't. I would love to bring you lots more intriguing videos about car stuff, about Fyxdt stuff, about all kinds of topics. Please feel free to leave me your comments. What would you like to see? Leave the comments down below. I look forward to seeing you on my very next video. Take care.